Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Twilio API using Auth Token. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a Twilio account if you haven't done so already. Go to the Twilio website and sign up for a new account. Once your account is created, log in to the Twilio console. In the console dashboard, locate your account SID in Auth Token. Copy these credentials and keep them secure. Now, open your preferred coding environment or text editor. Make sure you have the Twilio library installed. You can install it using package managers like pip for Python or npm for Node.js. For Python, run pip install Twilio in your terminal. For Node.js, run npm install Twilio. Create a new script file in your coding environment. Import the Twilio library at the beginning of your script. For Python, use from Twilio.rest import client. For Node.js, use const Twilio equals require Twilio. Next, initialize the Twilio client using your account SID and Auth Token. For Python, it will look like this: client equals client, your underscore account underscore SID, your underscore auth underscore token. For Node.js, it should be const client equals new Twilio, your underscore account underscore SID, your underscore auth underscore token. Now you can start making API calls with the Twilio client. To send an SMS, use the appropriate method. In Python, it would look like this: client.messages.create. For Node.js, the structure will be similar. Be sure to include the necessary parameters like to, from, and body. Run your script to see if the SMS is sent successfully. Check your Twilio console for the message status. Congratulations, you've successfully authenticated with the Twilio API using your Auth Token. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.